So the RM34 is fitted with two 18-inch high lift blades, so we get a lot of suction from this machine, sucking the grass vertical, cutting it and into the grass bag. So we're also collecting a lot of debris at the same time. What we've found is, with over the years of trying this machine in different environments, different pitches, different scenarios, is that because this is cutting differently to a cylinder, this is a swinging blade, we actually found that if you're cutting your pitch or your cricket square or your formal lawn at, say for example, at 25 millimeters, if we go on and if we set this mower at 25 millimeters, as it says on the height bracket at the side, it actually means, because the nature was sucking the grass vertical, we'll actually be taking a lot more off than we would with a cylinder. So general rule of thumb is, if you're cutting at 25 mil or 35 mil on a pitch or a lawn, you always want to be 5 millimeters higher than what you're physically cutting with your cylinder mowers. That, working out with using prisms generally on different pitches, is the way that we work it. So if we were cutting 25 mil on this pitch, to get this to cut at 25 mil, because with nature as we're sucking the grass vertical, is that we want to set this then to 30 mil. So you always want to be 5 mil higher. To adjust the height on the mower, we adjust the right hand side and we adjust the left hand side. What we never do is we never set the height of this mower on a pitch. We always want to be on a hard level surface in a shed, somewhere where you know that it's level, because what we're doing is we're lining up the front and rear roller and making sure that both sides are parallel. Okay, so to adjust the height on the RM34, I have an adjuster on the right and I also have an adjuster on the left. I have a locking nut here, so I release the locking nut, screw that up. Once I've screwed that up, if I turn this screw anti-clockwise, that lowers the machine. Clockwise, that raises the machine. And we have a scale, again, raising from 15 mil up to 75 mil. And if I turn, you'll see clockwise that the machine is rising, and you'll see you turn it until you get your desired height appearing in the center of the window down here. So once as you've done that, you've got your desired height, you then lock the locking screw up, so that stops that rod moving. We then do the same on the opposite side. So if we set this now to 35 mil on both sides, we'd actually be cutting 30 mil on the pitch.